You just gonna freehand this one?
I guess.
Okay, so the waffle maker didn't suck. Now it's time to find out if the other one can make an egg.
Because I'm starving. And while I would love more than one
Have you already
egg,
wiped this one down as well?
Oh no, I have not.
Do you need to pause recording so you can wipe this one down?
I do.
Maybe a little.
You know, I do have something that's made just for that.
Yeah, but I didn't have that, and I had this. Because I need to keep the lid closed while the what appears to be a blue light does its thing.
You mean that blue light?
Uh-huh. In theory, when it's hot, the light goes off. Is that how this thing works?
Yes, but the light... Okay, to me, all right, grab the other one.
Oh yeah, like you can see the itty bitty little light right there
Very
that's on
little.
versus...
Oh, it just went off.
That's pretty quick. But yeah, it's like, why couldn't you just make interchangeable plates? I could wash them. I could just have 3 little plates in a drawer and one device. You had to make them solid and not interchangeable. It's like, why?
That's a good product suggestion.
Okay, anyway. Smells like new appliance. The oil is steamy.
So the handle makes a good egg cracker.
The handle does not make a bad egg cracker. Pop my yolk.
That's because I don't like...
And close the lid. Now the other one's like, ooh, it's through steaming. I don't know if this one's going to steam.
I don't know, we're going to see. Because wouldn't this be nice if this just...
Work.
Yeah. Because if this makes a good
Egg.
fried egg with a broken yolk, I would be very,
I
very
hear
happy.
I hear it bubbling and boiling. Like, I feel like I should open the lid and look, but then I don't want to mess it up.
It's making noise. We are down to very limited groceries.
Yeah, there was like 1 egg left in the house.
We will go grocery shopping tomorrow.
If not tonight. So, we rock, paper, scissors for the 1 egg.
No, I know who's getting it.
Me, since I worked all day.
My stomach just said me.
Man, you hear that?
I heard that. It was not the Dash Griddle.
I mean, it's looking like an egg.
Well, I should hope so. It's an egg.
I can say, with the other thing, it was like, oh, look, it's no. I don't see steam in this
I don't
case.
see steam either. Not for this.
I mean, it feels pretty hard. I mean, it may. I don't know if it's hard boiled yet. It may still be a little bit softer yellow than you like. So I'm gonna.
It is very much softer than I would prefer.
Yeah, you're one of those hard yellow kind of people. You like your yellow hard.
I do like it hard. He's not gonna let it cook because he keeps opening it up. It might need to be flipped and then, yep.
That's what I was thinking. I mean, I think it's probably done actually, because like it didn't actually make contact with the top, so it couldn't brown it the way it did on the other one. I mean, truth be known, I don't think I had to flip it, and it may have actually already been ready. This is the kind of thing we might have to just experiment with time, like do it X number of minutes.
Yep, and figure it out.
Yeah, and then I'll taste test it because I'll eat them softer than you will.
Yep, that's good. Oh, wait.
I say let's call it.
Yeah. I mean, you know, I like Let's see. I'm kind of scared it's going to be hot.
Wait, what?
I normally don't take it right out of the hot. Oh.
Are you mocking me? Does it taste like an egg?
It does. Now, I'll be honest, it doesn't taste as good as what we do on the stove.
That's because what I do on the stove is covered in butter. I mean, technically, I could have buttered
the thing.
Right. Oh, and usually the one I do on the thing is after I've done the bacon.
That's true.
So it's kind of covered in bacon grease. Everything's better covered in bacon grease.
But
it is done.
It is done, and
it is done to your standards?
Yes. So.
And it took what, like
5 minutes?
I mean, the entire video here is only 8 minutes long. Like I say, you know, as much as I kind of want to hate it, it's
see, that could go on a chaffle.
I mean, you know, I could taste it. Oh wait, never mind, I can't because it's gone.
That's tarpon.
I mean, I kind of want to pick up some sausage and throw a sausage patty in there and see what happens.
All right, so I don't know whether it helped or not, but yesterday I did this.
Well, I mean,
I needed
it's not dirty. The one thing that was on there just kind of popped right off anyway.
Right, and that wasn't bad.
So I mean, at least out of the box, the non-stick surface
is working.
Yeah. Because it's not even, I guess the steam maybe kind of steams the stuff off, but yeah, it's not bad. I forget, was that like a YouTube recommendation?
I don't know where I saw it.
Wasn't in the manual or anything though.
No.
But yeah, like it didn't really have a sticking problem.
No, and this one, shoot over here. No, not this one.
The waffle one.
The waffle one that I did. We might need a brush of some sort.
Oh, you used a silicone brush, I mean.
No. Like a, okay, like a, not this, because this is our potato scrubber, but a brush
Oh,
like
to
this.
get all those nooks and crannies because
Yes.
it's waffle shaped?
Yes.
I wonder if I could put actual pancake batter in that thing, make a little mini pancake out of it.
Yes, well, I just...
Like, I mean, and more accurately, I wonder if there's a way you can do like a single serve for that thing, mixture of Bisquick.
Yes. So
yes, I want to hate these things, but...
Who might have had a good idea with a new kitchen appliance?
Wait, let me use your terminology. Your idea wasn't wrong.
That was exactly what I would say. So you don't hate it?
I don't hate it yet.
So we've done the waffle?
Like I said, we'll see long term how much it gets used, but
I needed salt.
for a quick way to
Make a fried egg. And then that doesn't dirty up a whole new pan, right?
Yeah, I still think it looks like it turns darker color.
It might.
Like-
But this one,
Maybe it's only while it's being used. Because this
Wait,
one's
that
new
one's
and
not-
hasn't been used yet.
but this one has been used.
Yeah, it's like it turns dark when it gets hot, but then it turns back lighter colored after it cools down. You know, a good marketing person would say that's on purpose so you can tell if it's hot or not.
It would change colors completely if they had intended to do that.
Yeah.
Like, that would be a...
That actually would have been a cool thing. It's like, hey, have it like say the word
Oh my
hot.
gosh, not even that. But
Temperature sensitive.
If it changed to like purple when it was hot.
Then someone might drop it like it's hot. Okay.
All right, so next up is the panini press. And again, you might notice different clothing.
Because we got to go to the grocery store and buy something because there's like nothing to put in the thing.